Hello, I'm Jared Costa of Miele USA, and I'm very pleased to be here at Apt, one of the premier destinations for any major appliance, and most especially for Miele appliances. Today what I want to offer is just some brief insights into simple maintenance and handling of your built-in whole bean coffee machine. So for a moment, we'll start on the exterior of the machine. There's an integrated area where I can easily access the full swing hinge so that I can now start to interact with the inner workings of the machine so that, again, I can do my usual use and handling. Now, the first aspect that I'll talk about is going to be a central area located underneath of the spout. This is going to be your waste container where your grounds will go after the coffee has been dispensed. The other area is going to be my drip tray. My drip tray is, of course, integrated with a lid, so it's easy to move it to and from wherever your sink might be for easy emptying. In addition to that, you'll also notice these two pull tabs. The two pull tabs come apart, and once they do, I can now remove the lid from the tray itself. And of course, these are marked with dishwasher safe markings, so I can place them into my Miele dishwasher, and it is extremely easy to care for and maintain. Anytime that you need to empty the drip tray or the waste container, the machine will prompt you to do so right on the digital display. Once we continue moving through the machine, we'll move counterclockwise and talk about the water container. The water container will be, of course, where you'll be filling up your water regularly. If you have a plumbed unit, you won't be doing this on a regular basis for coffee beverages. However, you still may use this for maintenance programs like doing a descaling program. Once again, the machine will prompt you when it's necessary to conduct those type of maintenance programs. Now, behind the water container, we'll take a look at one of the most overlooked but key aspects of the coffee machine, and this is the dynamic brewing unit. This is an expandable chamber that ensures that the coffee beverages you get from your Miele machine are absolutely superlative. Now, to access this, you'll reach your hand behind the small area where the water container once was. You'll see an amber, orange, or yellow type of bar. Underneath that bar is a red button. I'll depress the button and then swing in a clockwise fashion until I hit about the 8 o'clock mark. From there, I have unlocked my brew unit. To then take it from the machine, I simply pull it out. The reason this is so important is that once a week, you want to remove this unit. Put it under running water, lukewarm, tepid water. Once you do, you're going to rinse away any of the debris that's accumulated on the chamber. From here, simply shake it out and put it right back in. It can still be wet because remember, water's injected through the chamber whenever you're dispensing one of your coffee beverages. Once it's been placed back into where it was, I'll simply reverse the process by depressing the red button and moving that, of course, in a counterclockwise fashion, so I've now locked and engaged the brew unit. As we continue moving along, we want to talk about, of course, your bean containers. The whole bean containers are located at the top of the machine on the left and right. One of the key aspects to this is make sure that the whole beans you put in are unflavored. While they're going to be unflavored, you can still use different varieties of beans. Miele, for instance, offers 4 different types of beans, but they're all unflavored and safe for any of our whole bean machines. The reason you don't want to use a flavored coffee bean is because they're coated in oils, which will absolutely give you some pretty damaging effects to your grinder. So avoid those. Make sure that you're flavoring your coffee only after it's been dispensed, not before. From here, we'll continue moving, of course, counterclockwise until we reach the final container. This is a maintenance container, so anytime I have to do my descaling or degreasing of the brew unit, I would simply place this underneath of the central spout and it will fill up with any of the rinse and deposits necessary during that process. If you were to have the M-Touch on the built-in coffee machines, you'll have automatic degreasing of the brew unit, automatic milk pipework cleaning, and automatic descaling, so this won't be used nearly as often. Now, what I went through is a very high-level overview of the coffee machine. For more information, please come into the Apt Store where you can see this as well as some other selections from the Miele coffee machine lineup, as well as the whole breadth and width of our products, or simply go to apt.com for more information. Thank you.